Bitcoin is still trading in our resistance box that I had mentioned the other days. But what will happen now? Will we go to the upside or will we go to the downside? There is something that I want to talk about. And here on Bybit, I have good news for you guys. I talked to my contact in Bybit and I have gotten now a new bonus for my community, especially for you guys out there, a new bonus of $1,600. And I also want to talk about this a little bit. So, but now let's jump here straight into the charts. So as you can see here on the daily chart, we are still trading here in our resistance box. So, and if you remember from the previous videos, I told you, if we are not breaking straight through the box, the best case scenario after that would be that we at least stay within the box. So, and that is actually happening here right now. So, and let us break this a little bit more down on the 12-hourly time frame. Here. So here you can see if this 12-hourly candle that we are forming here right now stays that way as it is, then we would form a tweezer bottom that is a candle formation. So, and that would also indicate that within the box we locally bottomed out, not topped out, and will continue to move here further to the upside. So, and another pattern that is pointing to this is here on the 1-hourly time frame, and credits go out to AMCrypto because he has spotted it first, I think. So at least that's where I saw this ascending triangle. So we got here a small fake out to the upside. So, and now in my opinion, we got a fake out to the downside, because when I look here on the stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI is about to turn around here back to the upside. And we also see that here now on that small push here. So, and the reason why I believe that we will continue to go here now to the upside and potentially break through the resistance box is when I break this down into lower time frames. So if I go here to the 15 minutes, on the stochastic RSI, we see there's much more room still to go to the upside. And we see also here right now a lot of green candles going to the upside. So this 50 minutes candle might test already again the ascending triangle. So, and in the best case scenario, this candle closes above it and the next candle pushes even higher. And then when I go to the 30 minutes chart, that looks even better. There you can see we had already a tweezer bottom here. And what we are doing, exactly what we should do after tweezer bottom, we are continuing to move you to the upside. So we have to wait here maybe 1-2 hours more to see here a clearer picture. But in my opinion, we will definitely continue to go into the upside based on what I can see on the different time frames. So let's go back to the 1-hourly chart. And here's also something interesting. So if I measure now the target for it, so we would say we come here back up and would then have the breakout really at the apex. So that would Bitcoin to $44,000. And guys, do you remember what I said yesterday about $44,000? Let me show it again to you guys. The bull flag target from the breakout level, look how beautifully this is lining up, how much confluence we have here. So the $44,000 level is definitely the next level that I'm targeting in Bitcoin. So, and I want to see something else. So here, the daily, let's check something here. Oh guys, I can't make this up. Look at this. The 200 moving average is also at $44,600. So we have huge confidence right now that that we with a high certainty actually go to 44,000. We have the ascending triangle target lining up there. We have the bull flag lining up there, and we have the 200 moving average on the daily sitting there. So the likelihood that we will go up and test the 200 moving average on the daily chart is increasing dramatically with every pattern that we are forming, because they are all pointing to $44,000 level. And then something else that I also wanted to talk about here with the ascending triangle. 1 second, guys, let me put all this back. You should not forget that they have a 70% chance to break to the upside and only a 30% chance to break to the downside. So I just want to entertain the idea for a second, if we would break down instead of going up, where the target would be to the downside. And here, once again, if we would break to the downside here and not break to the upside, instead of we go to the downside, so then the technical target would be again at the $36,000 level. And again, we have also down there a lot of confluence. So we have here a clear distinction right now between support and resistance, because it looks like that we have now clear support around the $36,000 area, and the next resistance at $44,000 area, because we have so many targets lining up there and the 200 moving average lining up there. So in between, I think we will see again a bigger move like we did all the way down here to the upside. So that is something that could potentially happen once we break here above the ascending triangle. So, and another reason why I'm saying this is when we're looking at the VPVR. So now I have to, let's see, can I squeeze this here in? There we go. So when we look at this, so here, you see here's the price right now. So we are here in the longest bar of resistance right now, entering based on the volume profile. So, and once we are above that, and look where we are getting above it at $40,300 approximately, and that is also approximately the level where we got most of the time right now rejected. So when we get above that, there is not much resistance all the way up here to, let's see. Oh, sorry guys. So let me make that a little bit smaller. Yeah, there is no resistance anymore above us. So you can see it. So it stops at 40,200. And after that, there's one still at 41,667. But after that, there is no resistance basically anymore to the upside. So yeah, there is definitely massive move to the upside incoming once we clear the $40,100 level based on also on the VPVR. So, and the move to 44,000 should then come really quick. So, and then like I told you guys, I also want to talk quick about Bybit. On Bybit, if you use my referral link, so which is in the pinned comment below, like I said, only for you guys, for my community, you will get a $1,610 bonus if you use my referral link and do an initial deposit to claim your bonus. So then let's have a look at my trade here on Phemex. You find also the link on the link to Phemex, and both with my with all my referral links, and you would have an accumulated bonus of $2,500. So if you would trade this with a 40x leverage, so that would be a $100,000 trade absolutely for free. So here my position on Phemex, you can see it is still in high profit here so 118%, approximately $10,700. You can see, like I told you guys yesterday, I took here already some profits. I took $3,000 profits already here. So, and I keep taking profits as we go higher, but don't forget, once we break through the resistance box at $41,000 approximately, I will triple down on my trade and will put one Bitcoin into this trade. So which will be approximately like $800,000 that I will add to my position. So yeah, sorry, I had to do the math really quick there. So $800,000 that I will add to my position here. And I will deleverage also a little bit with adding to my equity. So guys, yeah, that's it already for today. Don't forget to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and as usual guys, see you tomorrow.